all scroll through Pinterest and we see this amazing, elegant, pretty dresses and we feel like where we can get these dresses. Don't worry. I am back again with another haul video, and today's haul video is about Pinterest inspired dresses and all are from Meesho, and let me say you all are under 500. So let's just not waste any time and let's start the haul. The first one is this pink dress. This is giving me so cute Pinteresty vibe. I just love the vibe. It's giving me very soft feel, and this is of pink and white color mixed. So we have the print of stripes type and it's looking so cute, and we have different color options. So this is light pink, we have dark pink option, light blue, dark blue, gray. So there were so many color options, you can choose whichever color option you like. So we have the strands where we have to tie the strands. I'm just tying it like a bow, and we can tie it just however we want, sorry. So we have to tie the strands like that, and in the upper part it's a little bit of pleated type, sorry. So and the down part is a little bit flare type, so the dress is like flare. So in here it's fitting and then it's flare, and it's giving me very cute vibe. And the sizes available were from extra small to triple XL, like wow, triple XL size tak bhi hai. So I got extra small size, and this is perfectly fitting me and giving me a very cool vibe. The fabric is viscose fabric and it's very light, and it's very comfortable to wear, very soft, and I just loved it. The length is above knee and the color is pink and white, as you can see. And the price of this was 382, and with discount I got it 341. So 341 for this dress, I'll say perfect, because everything is perfect fabric material and it's so good also and comfortable to wear. So yeah. The next dress is this white dress. This dress is giving me so cute Pinteresty vibe. If I have to create a cute look, I can definitely go for this dress. I really love this dress. It's giving me so cute vibe. I just loved it. And we have all over strawberry print in the dress. Little strawberry all over the dress, sorry, all over the dress. And it's sleeveless, and we have to tie the sleeves. Actually it's open, the sleeves, and we have to tie however we want. I like created like a bow type, I don't know if it became. And the neck is v-neck type. And if we have to talk about the fabric and material, the material is very good. It's a rayon fabric and I just loved it. It's very lightweight and it's very soft and comfortable. It's of knee length, and we have this beautiful prints all over the dress. I just loved it. The sizes available are from small to double XL, and मैंने small size order किया. I'm wearing small size, and so I think you have to look for one size bigger, because usually मैं extra small size पहनती हूँ और small size मेरे लिए perfectly fitting हो रहा है. So I think you have to go for one size bigger. And the price is 380, and with discount I got 354. I think 354 is very perfect for this dress, because it's giving me so cute vibe, Pinteresty vibe, and the fabric is also so good, and material वगैरह भी सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया है, giving me a cute vibe. So I really like this dress. The next dress is this dress. I saw in Pinterest so many, leopard prints dresses, skirts, tops, and I really don't have anything in this print. So I thought I really need to get myself something in this print, because this print looks so classy and stylish. So I got this dress for myself, and I really love the vibe. It's giving me so elegant, stylish vibe. I just loved it. I just love the fitting. The upper part is perfectly fitting and body hugging me, and the down part is little bit, just slightly little bit of flare type, and I just loved it. It's of knee length, it's below knee, you can say little bit of below knee, and it's giving me very classy vibe. I just love the fabric also. It's of like a fabric, it's very soft and comfortable. It's giving me very comfort, and I'm not even feeling irritated or uncomfortable in wearing this dress. And it's sleeveless. The neck is a little bit of a square type neck, and I just loved everything about the dress. The size of this dress is extra small, and the sizes available were from extra small to XL. And let me say you, इसके ना sizes के according prices increase होता जाता है. So I got an extra small. So the price of this dress is 341, and with discount I got it 315. But जैसे size increase होते जाएगा, price भी increase होते जाता है. So you have to keep that one in mind. बाकी मुझे dress बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. I can style this dress in different occasion. I can in fact go to parties and all, या फिर कहीं पे भी date night पे भी जा सकती हूँ, कहीं पे भी I can style it. So I just really love the dress, and 315 में मुझे इतना perfect stylish dress मिल गया. I'm like wow. The next one is this dress. This dress is also giving me so cute Pinteresty vibe. I just love this dress. It's a plate pattern and the patterns are in blue and dark color. Sorry, blue and white color. Sorry, and it's giving me very cute vibe. And we have also beautiful flower prints on it of pink, yellow, green. So flower prints all over the dress. So it's giving me more cute vibe. मुझे इसका कुछ डिफरेंट कलर ऑप्शंस तो नहीं था. I got only this dress and it's giving me so cute vibe. I like the color also. It's sleeveless. The neck is of square type neck. The length is knee length and the fabric is like a fabric and it's very soft and comfortable. I just love the fabric. The fitting is fit and flat, but it's not giving me that body hugging fitting. It's little loose for me. The size I ordered is extra small. The sizes available are from extra small to double XL. सो मेरे लिए अगर थोड़ा सा लूज हो रहा है तो आई थिंक वन साइज स्मॉलर अगर आप लोगे तो बॉडी हगिंग फिटिंग जो है वो देगा एंड इट विल गिव अ वेरी ग्रेट लुक. बाकी मुझे होल ड्रेस बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 340 एंड विद डिस्काउंट अगर 315. सो आई थिंक 315 इज परफेक्ट फॉर दिस ड्रेस क्योंकि इट्स गिविंग मी सो क्यूट वाइब. द फैब्रिक इज़ वेरी गुड. ओनली वन साइज स्मॉलर अगर आप लोगे तो आई गेस बहुत अच्छा फिटिंग देगा. बाकी ड्रेस बहुत बढ़िया है. So these were some Pinterest inspired dresses that I got from Meesho this time. Actually मैंने एक और ड्रेस ऑर्डर किया था but वो अपने आप ही कैंसिल हो गया. So I only have these dresses this time. And अगर आपको कोई भी ड्रेस अच्छा लगा then I'll give the codes in the description. You can take from there. And if you like haul videos then do subscribe my channel because I'll be coming with more and more haul videos. For now, bye bye guys.